don't take care of it, one game can slip away quickly. And when playoffs come around, it's about playing hard, playing together.
So NBA playoff basketball makes its return to the Sooner State. That Thunder bandwagon is filling up fast, people. Several NBA experts actually calling for the Thunder to reach the NBA Finals. It all starts with round one, game one tonight against Denver. The Nuggets were on fire in the early going. Nene with the left-handed flush, Denver by 10. Second quarter, that Thunder intensity ratcheted up several notches. Look at that, Serge Ibaka. Oh, rejection is part of life. From behind and into the 12th row. That is majestic. Final seconds of the half now. Russell Westbrook, the steal, the slam, like a boss. 21 first-half points for Russ West. Halftime score was Denver 60, OKC 59. It's in the third quarter now. Denver still leads by 78-77. We'll have an update later. What a game this is. Elsewhere, for the first time ever, two top two seeds both lose their playoff opener. We start with the defending champs, Lakers, facing the Hornets. LA just had no answer for Chris Paul. 14 assists and 33 points, just unstoppable on the pick and roll. Nobody saw this coming. Hornets steal game one, 109-100. Meanwhile, the top-seeded Spurs go down against Memphis. Final minute here, Spurs by 2, but Shane Battier for the lead. How do you do? Memphis takes game one, 101-98. First playoff victory in franchise history. You smell of America. Boys of NASCAR in Talladega today. How's this for a finish? Jimmy Johnson beating Clint Boyer at the line. Margin of victory, 2 1/1000ths of a second. You win, Jimmy Johnson. You always do. That is amazing. 2 1/1000ths of a second. They were right there.
That's
unbelievable.
Yes, it is
just
unbelievable.
Like the Thunder. So
just
I'm
like
fired
the Thunder.
up.
I know.
Fired up.
Caden is pumped.
I know it. I'm going to run back and
watch. You have to stay tuned for the next half hour when he tells us more.